Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the profile language inside your Netflix account and ensuring the device system language won't override it. Do this now so changes apply correctly. Once done, open the Netflix app, sign out, and restart the device to clear cache settings. Make sure you're editing the specific profile you use, not the account owner profile. That avoids global defaults. This step prevents conflicts between app, profile, and device languages and sets a clean baseline for the next precise changes. You now change the language inside Netflix. Go to your profile, open account language, and choose the desired interface language. This updates menus and recommendations. Then during playback, open the audio/subtitles menu to set audio track and subtitle language for that title. This overrides default audio when available. If the Netflix app on your device doesn't show language options, make sure the device app language is set in system settings because some platforms inherit device language. You finish by verifying changes across several titles and devices to ensure persistence. Test different shows because availability depends on the title's audio/subtitle tracks. If settings revert or don't apply, clear the app cache or reinstall Netflix to remove stale data and then sign back in. Make sure your app is up to date and the profile language is saved. If problems continue, contact Netflix support and report the device model, OS version, profile name, and example titles so they can trace and fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.